type ball carrier. We will now start the preparation of the launching.
Launching preparation. Take out the side blocks. Take out the trigger stoppers. Launching preparation completed.
We will now proceed to the pulling of the trigger stopper by Honorable Pamela Barriquatro, Governor of the Province of Cebu, to be assisted by Honorable Amos Edwin C. Cabajo, Mayor of the Municipality of Balamban.